Okay, so a 16 kilogram object going 23 meters per second is stopped in 0.125 seconds. That's, by the way, it's just meters per second. Right? Okay, so that's its velocity. I think our initial velocity is this, right? Our final velocity is 0. Okay, and then we've got a time. This is our time. So I don't see a force here. We're trying to find the force. So I believe what we have to do is solve kinematics first. So solve this. And then we're going to do F equals ma, right? Okay. If you have the mass and the force, you're going to do this first and then do this. But I think we do this first. So let's fill this in. So our initial velocity is 23. Final velocity is 0. Time is 0.125 meters per second. Let's see. We want acceleration. So I guess we use no x because we don't have x, right? So VF is VI plus AT. 0 equals 23 plus acceleration times 0.125. Okay, negative 23 equals a times 0.125. A is equal to negative 23 over 0.125. I guess we could have done that with just like a is change in velocity over time, not use the fancy equation, but it's okay. Divided by 0.125. Now, if you're paying attention, 0.125 is 1/8. If you divide by an eighth, you multiply by 8. So this answer is A is equal to negative 184 meters per second squared. Okay, so now we're ready to figure out the force. F equals ma. Might I write it again? I don't know. Okay, so that equals 16 times negative 184. Okay, so times 16 is negative, the force is equal to negative 2944 newtons. Yay.